Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel. In today's video I will be making some body lotion and also face cream. I've got another batch for that. This is just for the face cream. I just want to show you how my base look. You can see how fluffy my base look. Very fluffy, very nice creamy texture, nice soft texture. You see? So for those of you that want to train with me, that have been calling, you guys please be patient. I'm going to announce the date hopefully next month. So I've been putting some names down. So and the class it will be split into sections. So I think I'll have like first batch, second batch, third batch. Yeah. So and you amazing content, trust me, where you also have the benefit of my recipe as well. For the basic class, not the whitening. For the whitening, if you want to progress to the whitening class, that's another ball game, different training on its own, where I also will give you some of my recipe, and you need to get the ebook as well, the book. Yeah, that way you will learn a lot. And the training, I will be showing you guys video as well, clips of things where I mix, where I say the way I formulate products, and yeah, so details explanation. You guys can ask questions as well, and after the class you're free to ask me question as well. Yeah, okay, so this is my base. You can see how fluffy. If you want to make this base type of base for your face cream, body cream, or anything that you want to use it for, you want that popping, glowing, radiant, smooth, soft complexion for your client or for yourself, yeah, you are on the right channel. And if you want to mix this product also to give you that lightning boost, you can, but you have to be careful to check the products you're going to add into it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost whitening potency in base cream. Yeah, this base cream already, I have my whitening additives inside, made with nourishing oils, and yeah, so these are my products. Yeah, sold out on this second. This is the Crystal Glow, the 300 ml. This is my body wash. This I made from the scratch. I have it in different color. Now I've got just these two color. You can see, just want to show you, you can see properly. This is Hayo shower gel. This is my luxury whitening flawless shower gel. It will give you that flawless glow. Also help to moisturize, help to get rid of dry, dead skin, fade, hyperpigmentation. It contains salicylic acid, and we know the benefit of beta-hydroxylic acid on the skin. It penetrates deep into the dermic layer of the skin to extract oil and dirt, and also help take out dead dry skin, to promote new skin cell, and also give your skin that rejuvenating glow, so an appearance as well. It's an amazing shower gel. It's one of my best seller on my website. And this is our super whitening glowing oil. This oil will give you up to 3 shades lighter, trust me. Sorry for the background noise, doing some laundry, sorry about that. Yeah, and yeah, it will give you up to 3 shades lighter. You can use it to boost your face or body cream. This is our niacinamide and alpha-arbutin amazing face cream. And this is, yeah, this is my black soap. I use this product, trust me. And this is the end product of the product I did yesterday. I did a fruity exfoliating scrub. You can see it's very dark and creamy, amazing. You see. So yeah, when you know, I think I will dip my hand in this so that, because I'm going to be using this, I will use this on myself and take out this glove. So just gonna so for you guys to see how thick and how it is. So if you're making your formulation, quantity goes a long way. Weighing out your product goes a long way. So yeah, let's start the main formulation.